this is product D3427, and these are the Stafford Patio Lever Door Handles. The shade that these are in are the polished brass unlacquered. All your fixings are provided, so your screws will match the chosen finish. So this is the same polished brass unlacquered. As you see, it beautifully blends. You'll also get your spindle, which is provided, which is just your standard length, which can be cut down to size. So these are ideal to use on a patio door, as it has a Euro lock plate, a three-way locking system. So it's not spring-loaded, but it combines elegance with durability to provide a reliable and attractive solution for your patio doors. So the length of the back plate is 225 millimeters. The length of the handle is 103 millimeters. The width of the back plate is 41 millimeters, and the protrusion of the handle is 45 millimeters. This would make an excellent choice for upgrading your patio handles, enhancing the overall look of your home. And this is provided in many different finishes, so please have a look at which ones are available. So this is the D3427, and it's the Stafford Patio Lever Door Handles.